Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Journey to a Happy Life. Today I'm going to show you how to preserve your green leafy vegetable that you bought in a package like this to stay it fresh for few days by just using a paper towel. So guys, I have this paper towel like this. I just took it from our paper towel roll and I fold it so it looks like this. Sorry. But what you can do, guys, is when you buy a new green leafy vegetable like this, what you can do is you can put the paper towel right here inside. Like this. If you can put it more down, that would be better. And then another one also here. This paper towel, guys, is actually new. I just fold that one. And then if you can put it way down here, it's much better. If the packaging or the green leafy vegetable has more moisture, you can put more paper towel, but if it's not, you can put less. And it also depends, guys, if you know that you're using your green leafy vegetable right away, and you don't need to do that one. But if you're not sure, you can put paper towel and it saves you money, because a lot of times when you forget that you have, especially spinach, that you have it in your drawer, in your refrigerator drawer, and sometimes you tend to forget about it, and then it gets like smushy, I think that's what I call it, and then the ending is that you threw it in the trash. So for example, guys, this one here is, I have this spinach for almost a week now, and as you can see, I put just this one paper towel because it doesn't have a lot of moisture when I bought it, but as you can see, guys, it still looks really good and fresh. And this BB spring mix, I had this one for almost 2 weeks. As you can see, you can already see that it started to get like smushy, but for almost 2 weeks, still in good shape. So you may be wondering why I have it for almost 2 weeks, because we don't normally eat it right away. Sometimes also we forget that we have it in our refrigerator, but it really helps us a lot, guys, not to throw our vegetables, and then it saves us money also, guys. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button or hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.